On 21st, 22nd and 23rd October, we are doing a flower power workshop. It's going to be level 3, 4 and 5, 3 days in Mumbai. This is the one very special workshop which we will conduct with very small group of students who are very keen on learning about healing power of Indian flowers. We have spent more than 38 years experiencing the transformation through the flowers. And this is the very knowledge that we want to share with all of you. I invite you to come and join us in this exclusive workshop of Indian Flower Remedies and experience the flower Shakti. First for yourself and then as your practice as a healer for healing the mankind, animals, plants and environment. Flowers are nature's most beautiful gift. It is the secret ancient knowledge. But now the time is right for us to learn all about it. Very simple, gentle gifts of nature. This workshop is going to be something that you have never attended before. You have never learned so much accurate and in-depth knowledge about nature's beautiful gifts of flowers, transforming us from mind, emotions and body, stabilizing us, making us strong from within, transforming journey that we all want to take to expand our state of consciousness, to use this body as a vehicle to become spiritual, to become peaceful, to celebrate our life on this planet. These are the nature's gift that is going to take us all the way. It's called as holistic healing, but not just for body, mind and emotions, but also for our soul. This is going to be a very unique workshop where 2 medical doctors will share their knowledge of more than 38 years of healing not only human beings with many difficult diagnoses and cases, many difficult irreversible diseases, also animals, maybe with very difficult diagnosis, and finally in plants, how we can heal them, and also some notes about how we can help heal our environment, our earth, water, air, and the energy field of the earth itself. This is going to be a very unique energy healing world that we will introduce in this workshop. If you are already a medical doctor, this workshop is extremely useful for you to expand your learning about how to heal any disease. If you are a healer, then this is going to equip you with more knowledge about how safely you can use flower remedies into your existing practice. If you are doing acupuncture, you can add it. If you are a homeopathic doctor, you can still add this knowledge. If you are just a common man who wants to learn about self-healing techniques through the flowers, which are gentle, no side effects, easy to take and very fast for results, then this is the workshop for you. All are welcome, those who want knowledge about the health, about holistic healing, about nature's powers, about how I can begin my journey towards wellness It's for everyone. In this particular workshop, we will do a lot more practical workshop. We will take you into the nature itself and make you learn from nature how we can harness the healing power of flowers to heal our soul. Not just the emotions, not just the body, but right at our soul level. We will be doing a lot of practical demonstrations and exercises in smaller groups so that you can now become expert in learning about flower remedies. It's not about theory which you can read. It's about your experience. Your own inner experience will teach you, will inspire you to go ahead and practice this system of healing. You can only learn by experience. This workshop is about experiencing. We'll also be making you see the results in so many diseases which you think are irreversible or are not having any effect of anything. In such cases, we will do practical demonstration of how the healing energy of flowers can be used for quick results. Not only quick, but also long-lasting results with no side effects. Only when you see the patients getting transformed within minutes in front of your eyes, you will realize that there was something that you needed to learn about the flower remedies, about healing, about how fast it can be, how gentle it can be, how accurate it can be. All this you will only learn if you come for this workshop where we both doctors will be present. We will do hand holding, making it sure that each of you go back home with complete experience of this healing system. So often, these days we read a lot of material on internet, on digital platforms, so many screens. But do we really learn? Maybe we learn a bit of it. Maybe it reminds you of the knowledge that you already knew. But when you come for a physical workshop in the presence of two masters, you will learn much more, much more. Whatever you learn will become a part of you. It will change something within you. And then when you go back home, your new journey will start. And that's what is the purpose of coming to a workshop physically and learning it. I invite you to this very special Flower Power workshop. Just come, be there, absorb the energy. Come with open mind and just learn. There is a lot more for all of us to learn. As our journey continues of learning each day something new, we will be very happy to share this wisdom with all of you.